For Inside Edo today, make we reach our Tori people for town to hear their own side how dem see the postponement of the National Sports Festival when be Edo 2020.
As coronavirus dey spread all over the world, e good say make dem postpone am. Because why e good make dem postpone am? All over the world, you see say sporting events dem don postpone. Even Champions League, Premiership, so many sports events all over the world.
There is no life, nobody to do the sport. So the purpose of cancelling or postponing the sport is because of the virus they said it has happened. And this sport take all over the world. I mean, it's not only just Edo or Delta. It's not only Nigeria where we say the virus has not entered. So because of the life of the people, I think the suspension is right.
For the past 2 weeks now, European countries don't postpone all their sporting events. But now they have opened it to kickstart April 4th. So if the same European will get this sickness, say make all their sporting events start April 4th, and we will not get this sickness where I believe if they start their own, we still start this festival come April 4th or 5th.
Other country has locked up, they lock their people inside. They are not free to move like this as we are moving. Other countries, like Italy, some Europe country. But we are still moving. So our prayer is that the virus should not enter Nigeria, because those that are coming to do sport, if they bring virus, what we gain is not important.
My people, we don't come the renovated Ogbemudia Stadium where the National Sports Festival supposed to take place. As you see am here, so everywhere dry, no activities they happen for here. About this postponement of the National Sports Festival due to the Yama disease they call coronavirus. Oga, you fit tell us how you see am?
Felt very bad because we don't train well, so we dey hope to win gold for our states. So do say we must obey the government. So they say the council and our government not get everything. So we masses as a good citizen, we must follow what our government tell us. But we see they keep on the training. And they hope say the Yama disease go come out so that we will win our gold for our state, because our governor don't really try for us.
Edo State has been in camp at Awishi and other various parts of the state for the past 2 weeks. After preparing, after we don't prepare so much, then just 2 or 3 days to the kickoff, it was postponed. It pained us so much. Looking at what we gain at the camp after putting this everything in order, now the federal government just postponed it. It's very, very painful.
Some athletes don't train to the peak where we say the competition don't reach for them to just release that weight and they don't get inside. Now for them to postpone festival, it can't be like say you won't go build up again, then can't start up all over again. You know, they easy. But on the other hand, again, if we look into because of the disease according to them where they say don't enter Nigeria. Now if you say for our own good and they try to save our life too, make we no come lose our life like the country when we are say now then carry the disease.
To get more information, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel for Till Life Media TV. Follow and like us on Facebook, Instagram for tilllifemedia.com. Our website still remain www.tilllifemedia.com. Onome Ajibola from Benin.